English Catalan survival questions, is there?
Yeah.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to learn Catalan the fun way? Let's make these phrases stick, fast and friendly. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart path to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, downloads, and daily practice. Today you'll conquer.
Yeah. On is, què és, quan costa, necessito, voldria, puc, pots,
And
pot.
buckle up, your travel Catalan just leveled up. Your learning goal today. You'll get confident asking for things, finding places, and being politely unstoppable. Goal 1. Ask if something exists or is available with.
Yeah.
Goal 2. Find places with.
On is,
And identify things with.
què és,
Goal 3. Handle money moments using.
quan costa,
Goal 4. Make requests and needs crystal clear.
necessito, voldria, puc, pots, pot.
Mini dialogue. First day in Barcelona. Listen in and imagine you're there, then echo the Catalan out loud. You, excuse me.
On is,
The metro entrance. Local. Rect I la dreta. You, thanks. Oh.
yeah.
Wi-Fi al vestibule? Clerk. C. You, great.
Puc,
Entrar era? Guard. Endavant. You, at the cafe?
voldria,
Un café ambl let, C is plow. You, pointing at pastry.
què és,
Exo? Clerk. Es una ensaimada. You, to a friend.
pots,
Passar la sal? Friend. Clar. You, to a museum attendant, polite.
pot,
Repetir l'horari, C is plow? Attendant. S fins a les 19h. Quick forms and memory sparks. Short, sharp, remember forever tips incoming. Existence, availability, is there.
yeah.
Think, hee-haw, like a friendly donkey, now you'll never forget. Location, where is.
On is,
O equals on for where. Identification, what is.
què és,
Mind the accent. K. Price, how much does, cost.
quan costa,
Quant equals quantity, costa equals costs. Need versus want. I need.
necessito,
I would like.
voldria,
Super polite. Permission. May I?
puc,
Ask others. Can you? Informal.
pots,
Formal.
pot.
Market role play. You speak. Pretend we're at La Boqueria. You say the Catalan after the pause. You, polite order, I would like 2 oranges, please.
voldria,
Dos taronges, C is plow. You, price, how much does this cost?
quan costa,
Exo? You, need, I need a bag.
necessito,
Una bossa. You, ask existence, is there a discount?
yeah.
Descompte? You, informal help, can you weigh this?
pots,
Pesar exo? You, formal help, can you repeat the price, please?
pot.
Repetir el preu, C is plow? Rapid drills. Say it fast after the beep, then check the answer. Prompt. Say, where is? Answer.
On is,
Prompt. Say, what is? Answer.
què és,
Prompt. Say, may I? Answer.
puc,
Prompt. Say, I need. Answer.
necessito,
Prompt. Say, is there? Answer.
yeah,
Prompt. Say, how much does cost? Answer.
quant costa,
Prompt. Say, I would like. Answer.
voldria,
Prompt. Say, can you? Informal. Answer.
pots,
Prompt. Say, can you? Formal. Answer.
pot,
Culture tip. Polite Catalan in the wild. Sound kind, get kindness back, Catalonia appreciates it. In shops and offices, a polite opener like
voldria, puc,
or formal
pot,
plus
si us plau,
and a warm
gràcies,
goes a long way. Use informal
pots,
with friends. Switch to formal with strangers or staff. Think
vostè,
vibes. Quiz time, no pressure, just fun. Answer out loud. Your plant will judge only silently. Q1, English. Catalan, is there? A.
yeah,
Q2, English. Catalan, where is? A.
on és,
Q3, how do you ask a price? A.
quant costa,
Q4, make it formal, can you? Question mark quote. A.
pot,
Q5, polite ordering starter. A.
voldria,
Final challenge scene. You're at a museum, then a cafe, then a shop. Go. At the info desk, ask if there's an audio guide. U.
yeah,
Audio guia? Lost near a sculpture. Ask where the exit is. U.
on és,
La Sortida? Pointing at a gadget. Ask what it is. U.
què és,
At the cafe. Politely order and ask price. U.
voldria,
Unte, see as plow.
quant costa,
You need sugar. U.
necessito,
Sucre. Ask a friend to pass napkins. U.
pots,
Passar les tavolants? Ask the cashier formally to repeat. U.
pot,
Repetir, see as plow? Permission check. U.
puc,
Pagar amb targeta? Wrap up and good vibes. You did great, seriously. Let's land this plane with a smile. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
yeah, on és, què és, quant costa, necessito, voldria, puc, pots,
And
pot,
to sound natural and confident. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Explore more lessons, printables, and quizzes at www.synapse-lingo.com. Practice a little every day, and your Catalan will love you back.